Alright, we got a bit of a milestone here. Alright, so we have the pump connected up to this Darlington array through the yo-yo. Alright, there's the voltmeter registering the output from the yo-yo. So go here, we're going to select machine status and diagnostics. And then we go to pump diags. And there's a button there that says run water pump for 1 second. It's actually 5 seconds. Okay, so I'm going to, you see the voltmeter there. I'm going to press a button. Alright, and go over here. We're going to watch it over here. You see there's some water in there already. I'm going to press the button one more time here. Let's see. Can you see the button? There we go. Alright. To get enough water, you gotta run that like 4 times to get it up to the minimum level. Okay. Alright, so over here. Oh, it turned off already. Open up. And the water goes in. Down. Brew. And then in a couple minutes the hot water comes out. That's it.